our Caucasian siblings, especially women, Caucasian siblings, but also the guys, but especially women. You're gonna stand for Jesus and God will give you wisdom. Don't be afraid. So it's gonna be hard, but God will give you wisdom, okay? And you have to do this because you cannot be on the side of evil. Oh my gosh, no. No, 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 no. All Caucasian women, please. All of you. Not some of you, not even the majority of you. All of you. You better fight Trump and MAGA. Caucasian women puppets of Trump and MAGA. You better leave them. Turn your backs on them. Now. My gosh. Just leave them. Be brave in the Lord, okay? He's with you, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. One God, three persons. The angels that surround you. Nothing can poison you. Now, don't be deliberate in poisoning your, don't be stupid, right? But you know what I mean? Because it's there. I think it's in Luke 10. You can bank on that. And then to the oppressed, normally begin with Native Americans because they were here first. But our African American siblings now, I have to prioritize them now because this is in terms of degree of suffering that I've personally witnessed. And I'm privileged to have also experienced in part. I abandoned my kids, but I cannot abandon you. Because my kids, I raised them in the Lord. I taught them the gospel. My kids are Christians. They are really Christians. So they're okay. But there are many African American siblings who are not Christians, or who have turned their backs on the faith, or they don't believe in the Bible anymore because this is the religion of the white guy. No, Jesus is not white. Jesus was not white. Jesus was Jewish. He was from the hood. And I love you all, African American siblings. And her, especially her, H-E-R, my God, thank you. Thank you for writing that song out of your heart and being brave. And Jesus, who's not white, is Jewish. So there are many Jewish persons who are not rightist. They sometimes go to extremes. No to the extreme right, and no also to the extreme left. The true left would never commit violence. The balanced left, the extreme left, those are the violent ones. They're not helping. They're enslaved by Satan.